Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kanita. As you guys can see, we are going to jump straight into this video. I have 3 products that I want to be showing you guys today. Oh, super easy hairstyle, super easy, y'all. So I'm so excited to bring you guys this video just so you guys can see. As you guys can see, the first hair place is Graww Store. So go check them out, y'all. They got clip-ins. They are human hair clip-ins. They are double width, and it comes with 18 clips and 8 pieces, you guys. And the hair is super soft. It is true to length, whatever length you get. They have different colors available as well. And as you guys can see, I am showing you the clips on how you would place them in your hair. See the different little clips right there? They actually hold really good. So these are, I see clip-ins as, not as, I see it as, let's go there. I see it as you can use this to thicken up your hair. You can use it if you don't want to place glue in your hair. I think thickness is like the best for me. I mean, and it's something so safe for your hair. So I thought this was like good. And I've been wanting to try clip-ins for a minute. I wanted to do tape-ins, clip-ins, so I didn't. And I got that experience. So this next hair is coming from, y'all, these names, CHRSHN Store. So this is the ponytail. This ponytail is so pretty, y'all. It is full and I really like it. I think this is for a quick hairstyle. I think this is something easy. It has the little tabs on the side with little clips. These are it that go on the side, as you guys will see later on in the video. And I thought these were so cute. First I was like, what is this? But then I was like, oh, it's so cute. So you can do so many things with this hair. It is a wavy wraparound ponytail. It has the Velcro on the end of the ponytail, which I'll be showing you too. This is 20 inches. Yeah, I was trying to see. I think this is synthetic. So just so you know that as well. So it is a synthetic, but y'all, it's so pretty. I used it, I worked with it, I brushed it, combed it. I didn't get any shedding or anything like that, but I only used it once, just so you guys know. And also on the clip-ins, I didn't get any shedding as well. But y'all, the little Velcro, make you a little ball, put your little Velcro. You ain't even got to do your hair. You can gel your hair all up, put this on. I didn't give you guys any prices yet, so just make sure you guys go check out in the description box so that you guys will know all the information as well. But I know they are very affordable, so this is neat too, you guys. This bang, y'all, I didn't even know it was. Where has this been? Where has this been? This company is yeah, I'm not even gonna try. You see it on the screen, don't for me. No. I'm gonna try Nimoki Store. So y'all, this bang is just like so cute. You can use this when you have weave in your hair, other extensions in your hair. Yeah, just simple ponytail. You don't got to put that glue upper. And then you don't even gotta have no hair to come over it, just because of the way they have it made. Y'all, this is cute. This is so cute. And it was like the cutest idea. You don't even gotta have no leave out for this bang. I didn't have no leave out, and I'm gonna show you guys. Keep watching. You will see that in the video. Keep watching. I'm back, you guys. So I'm guessing if you have made it this far, please make sure you like the video, comment, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when the next time your girl posts. So as you guys can see, y'all, I put this bang on. I did pull it back just so people can see that it could go further back, but you see what type of bang you will be having. My eyes looked at Chinese then. I was thinking that, nothing like that, but it did. Everybody always say that, but this is the bang further up, y'all, because I get sidetracked and just be going. And then I'm going to bring it down just so you guys can see that you can also wear low. And see, I had no leave out. And I put this bang on and it created a miracle. It was so cute. I thought it was cute. I think it could be used for so many numerous of things. If you want to use it to the side, you can use it to the side. Further back, if you want to do the little swoop method, whatever. I thought it was so cute to just this idea just is super cute. I think it's super cute, and y'all, I think it'll be so useful for so many things. And I was thinking about, giving this away in my giveaway, but then I'm like, no, y'all go check them out. These are the clip-ins again that I'm showing you. I wanted you guys to see, like, they do give you different lengths. They give you medium, a little bit longer than medium, and it goes down to the corners that you can use that I'm gonna show you that's coming up. See how those are smaller? You can also use them as, I want to say, like sideburns, y'all. I'm saying sideburns because I know sideburns are thin necks. We're not going there, so that's what I call them, but just the little side clips, I guess you can say. And they work the same way the bangs work. You just clip them in, y'all, wherever you feel like you want that little thickness. If you just wanted to do the whole full back. Now, I think if you do decide to do a full head, I would suggest you get more than one pack. Y'all, it's affordable. I'm thinking this was like $70. Y'all just make sure y'all check the description box. But you cannot beat that for some human hair clip-ins. And you can raise this up to be in a ponytail. Pull it all up and wear it with the bangs and do a ponytail. I thought that would make that cute. It's so many ways if you get these items, in so many ways and so many things that you can do with each of these styles. As you guys can see, I'm flat ironing those clip-ins. It blended really good, where you couldn't even tell that I had anything in there, but it blended super well. And see, it still have the bang, and the clip-ins now in the back. And you could just wear it like that. You can do a bang and clip-ins in the back. You want a little thickness, you can curl it, because of course it's human hair. But as you guys can see now, I'm showing you the ponytail. I just can't get any of these words right. Y'all don't come for me in the comments. But the ponytail, and I'm showing you how it is on the inside. As you guys can see, it has a comb at the top to where you can place it in your ball of your head or your ponytail, whatever, to wrap around. And you guys know I told you it's Velcro. It confused me at first. I was like, okay, this is Velcro. That was so neat for them to do that, y'all. That's quick and easy, and I know this one's affordable as well. Y'all, all these beautiful pieces of hair that I'm showing you guys, they are very affordable. This is the look that you will come out with: the ponytail, the bangs, and the clip-ins in the back. Y'all get all three. I think those are the sides, the side clips. That's what we're gonna call them. And I didn't know if I did that. I did do that for the straight as well, but just guys, so you can see how that made that a little bit fuller going around. Y'all, I know you have to cover that. I just didn't do it. I did it with the bangs. I know though, just so everybody know, it's not gonna exactly cover. It depends on where you place it, but I just thought it was it's just the cutest idea. And I was like, it's no way that I can't do this video without adding all three. Now see, if I pull the hair back, it'll look like I just have a ponytail with them. Y'all, look at them bangs. Look at them bangs. They are so, the bangs and this ponytail. and this is your ending result. I did this for a purpose, just so you guys just can see how the ponytail will look if there was nothing else. So this would be the ponytail with nothing else, y'all. And it's cute and it's full, and like I said, it has the little side tabs. If you wanted to pull all back and do the little side tabs on the side, I thought that was cute. You can wrap the ponytail around, make a bun. There's so many ways that you still could just do with this ponytail. You can have side hair laying to the side. You can pull out a bang to go with the ponytail. I mean, there's so many ways, you guys. It's very affordable and super cute. I'm also going to do the bangs and the clip-ins in the back in the next set, just so you guys can see. I'm so sorry this video was a little bit longer, but I wanted you guys just to see all these so cute pieces. A good idea to do many different styles. Y'all go check that description box out so y'all can get some. Y'all keep on the eye out for a giveaway. I am going to be doing one, so you guys will be hearing about it very soon. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram as well. This is the clip-ins and the bangs, y'all. Look at that. That's just like a cute look for, you know, just to, I mean, you can wear it all week. Who wouldn't? You can wear it all week, but y'all, it turned out super cute. I liked it. Throwing a little cute outfit and keep it moving. So that's, as I was saying, you guys keep an eye out for the giveaway. Send your friends and family to my page for more hair tips, more hair advice, hair reviews. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and hit the notification bell so you know the next time your girl posts. I hope you guys enjoyed this in the videos. Leave it in the comments what you think. Until the next video, you guys. I love you guys. Talk to you soon.